In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Google Meet Premium. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be well equipped to enhance your virtual meetings with Google's premium features. So let's get started with these simple steps to upgrade your Google Meet experience. First things first, let's head over to the Google Meet homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Meet's website. Taking this initial step gets you familiar with the platform and sets the stage for a smooth navigation towards acquiring the premium features. Once you are on the web page, you'll see the familiar interface of Google Meet, which is your hub for initiating or joining video conferences. Take a moment to explore if you're not entirely familiar with what Google Meet offers without its premium features. Now, we move on to access the Google Workspace. The premium version of Google Meet is tied to the broader suite of tools known as Google Workspace. This is basically your one-stop shop for productivity tools provided by Google. To get started, look for the link or tab that directs you to Google Workspace's paid plans. Clicking on this will seamlessly transport you from the general Google Meet page to the different subscription options available. It's important to browse thoughtfully through this section to understand what each plan offers and to ensure you choose one that best fits your needs. With that done, let's proceed to the pivotal moment, selecting a plan. Google Workspace offers a variety of subscription plans, each tailored to suit different users ranging from individual entrepreneurs to large corporations. Carefully review these options. Some plans may offer additional storage, increased participant numbers in video meetings, or advanced security features, among other perks. Take your time to compare these features based on what your typical meeting requirements are. Once you've decided on a plan, select it by clicking the corresponding button. This action takes you to the checkout process, where you'll be prompted to input the necessary billing information to finalize your purchase. Upon successful transaction completion, congrats! You're now officially a Google Meet Premium user. As you explore your newfound premium features, you can seamlessly integrate these into your meetings and truly see the difference premium makes, be it in hosting larger groups, ensuring uninterrupted services, or accessing premium support. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Regularly check Google's platform for any updates or newly launched features that can further complement your premium subscription. This will keep you ahead of the curve and allow you to maximize the benefits of your Google Meet Premium experience. That wraps up our tutorial. I hope this guide helps you achieve those seamless professional quality meetings that you're aiming for. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.